This is a puppy dog stretch. We call this for lengthening the pelvic floor muscles. So you're going to start on your hands and knees. And then once you get there, you can drop down onto your forearms. You're going to widen your knees a little bit wider than hip width apart. And then from there, you feel the weight in your arms and you're trying to relax your legs as much as possible consciously. And then you're going to send your tail up and back. So you're going to send your tail up and back. And what this is doing is it's just allowing the pelvis to open and again, lengthen the pelvic floor muscles. You might just feel this as like you're kind of just sinking deep in your hip sockets. That is what you would feel. One thing you could think about is your sits bones, which are those bony prominences that you sit on. You could think about them spreading away from each other, like an image of them spreading away from each other as you rock back. And it's fairly slow, like you're trying to open up and create some movement and target an area that we're doing this because it is an area that can get often tight and overworked. So, and I would rock back. Maybe you do this nice and slow for about 30 seconds to a minute. You also, listen to your body. You can rock back. And once you're there, you can take a nice big inhale, filling your belly, thinking about bringing air all the way down to the bottom of your pelvis. Again, thinking of that image of spreading your sits bones and get a nice opening stretch there and then rock back. One thing to note is if you're somebody that feels pinchy, you'll know if it's pinchy in the hip in the front, don't push into that. Okay, we can do some modifications to try to get out of that. You don't want to do that and just push into impingement.